Let's make yam porridge. The full list of all the ingredients used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. And here you can see in my oil, I'm adding my blended onions. The oil you can see here is a mixture of vegetable oil and the palm oil. So I allowed this frozen blended onions fry till it releases all its flavor. So as you can see, I'm cutting my yams into cube sizes. Why? Because it just gives your porridge this pleasant look. To heighten the flavor of this, I added more blended crayfish and my smoked hake fish. Trust me, this infuses a lot of flavor into the oil and also into the base of this porridge. Before adding my stockfish fillet and my stew base, this stew base is everything. Do not worry, I'll be making a separate video to show you the process on how I made this stew base. And if you're yet to like this video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section, do you like yam porridge? At this point, you can see that I have this semi liquid consistency here. Why? Because if you have a rich stock, if you have a rich base, your yam porridge will come out so well. Yes, this is one of the techniques I use whenever I'm making yam porridge. And today's special hug will be to Peculiar Beauty. Yes, sis, I see you, I appreciate you, and I love you dearly. can use any vegetable of your choice, but I chose to use bitter leaf, and that's the reason why I added stockfish at the beginning of this, recipe. To me, bitter leaf gives my porridge this authentic native flavor you will not really get from scent leaf and pumpkin leaf. Okay, thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.